If you've ever wanted a chat that feels alive, that actually gets you, this video is for you. Let me show you Tipsy Chat. For Android users, open the Play Store. If you're on iPhone, go to the App Store. Then search for Tipsy Chat. You'll see the app right at the top. Tap Install and wait a few seconds. While it's downloading, just take a moment to relax. It's super quick, and soon you'll be inside the app ready to explore. Once it's done, open it. The first pop-up asks for notifications. Just allow it. Then another might appear asking to track activity. You can choose to allow it or skip it, whichever feels comfortable. Creating an account is really simple. You can sign up with Google, Apple ID, or just enter your email. I'm using my email here. And right after creating the account, you get 100 free gems, which is a nice bonus. There's also a premium option if you want more features, but it's completely optional. Now that you're in, tap the Explore tab. You can browse characters and pick your favorite. I'm choosing Alex. Open the chat, type a message, and the replies feel surprisingly natural, like the character really understands what you're saying. Next, check your profile. The role card is super important. You can set your age, share your likes and dislikes, and even create a little role label. This helps the app respond to you in a personal way. You can also set your avatar and save it however you like. One of the coolest features is Live Studio. Enable it, and the app can automatically turn your chats into short videos. You can even pick a specific message and make a mini reel from it. It's simple, fun, and really adds a personal touch to your conversations. Tipsy Chat isn't just another chat app. It's a place to actually enjoy conversations, express yourself, and feel like someone's really listening. So go ahead, set up your profile, pick a character, and start chatting.